Hey, what up YouTube? My name's Todd. I'm going to do a quick bite check. I got a DK General Lee 20-inch frame with Nitrous OG 8-inch rise bars with animal purple bar ends. A stolen convict stem and stock DK forks. I got a Alienation PBR Pro front rim with DT Swiss purple spoke nipples and white Primo 14 gauge spokes and a Eastern Classic purple front hub. I got Poverty cranks with Primo platform pedals. I got a McNeil Capital Pivotable seat, red and gray, and a Shadow Conspiracy 3-inch seat wedge. The rear, I have a stolen matte blue rear wheel with DT Swiss blue spoke nipples and white 14 gauge Primo spokes with a 9-tooth Primo cassette hub. Sounds pretty good. I got, on this side, I got a 9-tooth fit, or 25-tooth fit front sprocket, and a 9-tooth rear, and a white Shadow Conspiracy V2 half-link chain. It's a pretty good chain, and that's about it. That's my bike. Thanks for watching.